Jeff Huffman here from the UF Weather Center. Spoiler alert, it's going to be an unsettled weekend with at times some very heavy rain. You may want to grab the popcorn and plan for some indoor activities such as watching a movie. I'll take a moment here to briefly explain what's going on. This is a bit of an unusual weather pattern for the middle of summer. You probably noticed that Wednesday. That was not a sea breeze shower or thunderstorm. That was a 2-hour deluge here in Alachua County. Here's what's going on. Typically this time of year, we got this subtropical ridge building in, and it keeps the afternoon thunderstorms going, but they, tend to taper off and move across the peninsula from one coast to the other with the sea breeze. Well, what we have is a dip in the jet stream that's unusually far to the south. The ridge has broken into two separate areas of high pressure, allowing for this weakness in the atmosphere to develop. And along this weakness is where a front has stalled, and it's pulling up tropical moisture. The jet stream, that river of air aloft, is steering disturbances down into the south and east, tapping into that moisture. The trade winds are not as strong. All right, so it can't fight it off, and we've got this big battle zone developing and excessive amounts of rain. We had that north of Tampa and Pasco County early in the week. We've had that in parts of north central Florida already, and guess what? It will continue in some areas for the next several days. And a 5-day rainfall forecast is of 4 to 6 inches here in parts of north central Florida, especially Levy and Marion counties. As of right now, that's where I think the axis of heaviest rain will occur. So here we go. Friday is kind of the beginning of an uptick in our rain chances. We're going to see a few more cells develop than we had on Thursday, some of them crossing the 75 corridor just after lunchtime. Once again, the flow is out of the Gulf, so it's early day activity near the Gulf Coast, late day activity over on the Atlantic side, and there could be multiple rounds in some areas. It's difficult to pinpoint this, but just know that just because you see one downpour Friday doesn't mean you may not get another one. And by the way, the clock is going here well into the evening hours, and look, showers still dotting the landscape with that deep flow from the tropics right out of the Gulf of Mexico. Your hour by hour Friday, there will be some impact in the middle of the day, so that's the good news. At least the clouds and the rain will bring temperatures down, but a 60% chance of those thunderstorms early to mid-afternoon. And then Saturday and Sunday, some of the rain could be heavy at times. It could occur at any time of day. Don't forget to track it with us at WRUFweather.com or ufweather.org.